Are you ready to give your kidneys the TLC they deserve? Picture this: nature's colorful bounty, bursting with juicy goodness, ready to revitalize and cleanse your body from within. From vibrant berries to tropical delights, these 8 powerful fruits are here to help you kickstart your kidney cleanse journey. So, let's dive in and discover how these fruity wonders can nourish and support your precious kidneys. Cranberries. These tart little gems aren't just for holiday feasts, they're also a kidney cleansing powerhouse. Cranberries are packed with antioxidants and compounds that help prevent urinary tract infections, UTIs, and support kidney health. Research suggests that the proanthocyanidins found in cranberries may help prevent bacteria from sticking to the urinary tract, reducing the risk of UTIs and promoting kidney health. Blueberries. Don't let their small size fool you. Blueberries pack a mighty punch when it comes to kidney health. Rich in antioxidants like anthocyanins, blueberries help protect the kidneys from oxidative stress and inflammation. Studies have shown that regular consumption of blueberries may help improve kidney function and reduce the risk of kidney stones. Watermelon. Stay hydrated and support kidney health with nature's hydrating wonder, watermelon. With its high water content and abundance of potassium, watermelon helps flush out toxins and regulate fluid balance in the body. Additionally, watermelon contains lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that may help protect against kidney damage and reduce the risk of kidney disease. Pineapple. Add a tropical twist to your kidney cleanse with juicy pineapple. This delicious fruit is rich in bromelain, an enzyme that helps reduce inflammation and support digestion. Bromelain may also help prevent the formation of kidney stones by breaking down calcium oxalate crystals. Plus, pineapple is loaded with vitamin C and other antioxidants that promote overall kidney health. Apples. An apple a day keeps the doctor away, and your kidneys happy. Apples are a fantastic source of soluble fiber, which helps regulate blood sugar levels and cholesterol levels, reducing the risk of kidney disease. Additionally, the antioxidants found in apples may help protect the kidneys from damage caused by oxidative stress. Pomegranate. Unlock the antioxidant power of the mighty pomegranate and give your kidneys a boost. Pomegranates are rich in polyphenols, compounds that help reduce inflammation and protect against oxidative damage. Research suggests that pomegranate juice may help improve kidney function and reduce the risk of kidney disease in individuals with diabetes. Kiwi. Don't overlook this fuzzy little fruit. Kiwi is a nutrient-packed powerhouse that supports kidney health. Kiwis are loaded with vitamin C, vitamin K, and potassium, all of which play a role in maintaining healthy kidneys. Plus, the fiber found in kiwi helps promote regularity and prevent constipation. Cherries. Satisfy your sweet tooth and support your kidneys with delicious cherries. These flavorful fruits are rich in antioxidants like anthocyanins and quercetin, which help reduce inflammation and protect against oxidative damage. Studies have shown that cherry consumption may help improve kidney function and reduce the risk of kidney stones. From tangy cranberries to sweet cherries, these 8 powerful fruits are nature's gifts to your kidneys. Incorporate them into your daily diet to cleanse, nourish, and support your precious organs. With their antioxidant-rich properties and kidney-loving nutrients, these fruits are sure to leave you feeling refreshed, revitalized, and ready to take on the world. Enjoyed learning about the incredible benefits of these kidney-cleansing fruits? Subscribe to our channel for more insightful content on health, nutrition, and wellness. Stay updated with the latest tips and tricks to nourish your body and elevate your well-being. Hit the subscribe button now and join our community committed to vibrant health. The information provided in this video is for educational and informational purposes only. It is not intended as a substitute for professional medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. Always seek the advice of your physician or other qualified health provider with any questions you may have regarding a medical condition. Never disregard professional medical advice or delay in seeking it because of something you have watched in this video.